PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is committed to providing high-quality commercial furnace repair services in Paoli, Pennsylvania. Our company offers a comprehensive range of heating and cooling services, including furnace repair, heat pump replacement, air handler, air conditioner, water heater, boiler, and duct repair. We are the local top-rated heating contractor and can assist you with all of your furnace needs. Contact our commercial furnace repair experts today and get a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial furnace repair expert near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Can a faulty thermostat cause the furnace to malfunction? A faulty thermostat is one of the possible reasons for a furnace short cycling. This occurs when the furnace does not complete a full heating cycle, but instead shuts down early and then restarts a short time later. What causes most furnace failures? Dirty air filters cause furnace inefficiency. Air filters catch dust, grime, and debris like hair, which can obstruct airflow and overheat the heat exchanger, preventing your furnace from performing properly. What is your service area for the Paoli office? Our experts in commercial furnace repair have assisted clients in Paoli, Berwyn, Devon, Tredyffrin, Vanguard, Williams Corner, Phoenixville, Montclair, Chesterbrook, Shan Tract, Valley Forge Woods, Malvern, Wayne, Willistown, and Upper Mainland, Pennsylvania. Where is your Paoli, Pennsylvania commercial furnace repair office located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307, Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/plank-rd-paoli-hvac-service.